All the parts needed to open up 2 sections of the Zircon Flex are included. 3 telescopic poles, 10 flex straps and 20 steel stakes. To open up more sections, supplement your purchase according to this table. Pitch the Nordic TP the same way as an ordinary Zircon 15, described in the video how to pitch 10 TP Nordic TP, but use 16 stakes instead of 8. From the inside, unbutton the triangular expansion panels from the sections you want to open up and from one section on either side of the part you want to raise. If you want to open up the part of the brim where the door is located, you need to pull the toggle through the ring by the end of the zipper on the door. This is important to reduce strain on the zipper. From each section that is going to be opened, the ground tensioners must be replaced with a longer strap. Attach one of the included flex straps to the D-ring at head height on the inside of the tent and push the end with the O-ring out under the bottom of the tent. Slacken the ground tensioner and unhook it from the tent stake. Hook the flex strap to the stake instead. Pull to make the tent taut again. It's important you only do this one ground tensioner at a time. Undo the ground tensioners on each side of the part to be raised and open the zips in the triangular expansions panels all the way up. If you want to raise the entire brim, release all the expansion panels. Pull out the telescopic pole to about 180 centimeters. Attach a flex strap to the band loop using a carabiner. Push the end of the telescopic pole through the hole in the middle of the panel's bottom edge. Attach the other end of the strap to the ground with the stake and tighten the strap. Repeat these steps for each section you want to raise. The ground tensioners on each side of the raised sections may need to be replaced with flex straps so they can reach down the tent stakes. To facilitate water runoff, attach a flex strap to the band loop between each pole. The straps inside the Nordic TP may now be removed, but we recommend you leave them in place in case of gusts of wind. It will also make it easier and faster to close the brim later. When closed, Zircon Flex is as storm resistant as an ordinary Zircon. Zircon Flex is not intended to resist strong winds and snow when the brim is partly or fully raised. The exceptional storm resistance of a 10 TP Adventure Nordic TP is maintained by the tent being designed so that the brim can easily be closed in bad weather.